Hello everyone. With all the different types of wood flooring you can buy, how do you know which is the right choice for you? Now moving on to the manufactured flooring types, there is laminate and vinyl plank. Now each are similar to each other, much like engineered and solid wood flooring are similar to each other, but there are differences. Laminate is being considered on the way out where vinyl plank is on the way in, and that's because of the benefits of vinyl plank. Much like engineered flooring, they each have their layers, but the layers are different, and vinyl plank has its benefits. Now to tell the difference is if you take a look at the laminate flooring, you can see here that it looks like it's one layer, but if you look closely, there's a very thin piece of layer on top, and that's where the color comes in for the wood. Now all it is just a screen printed sheet that is made to look like wood, but in fact it's not. Now as for vinyl plank, there are separate layers right here, 3 of them. So this is still that screen printed layer that you saw in the laminate, but it's a little bit thicker. And now right here, this white layer, that is the core. This is what allows this vinyl plank flooring to be waterproof, which is its major benefit. And then right here is what gives the vinyl plank its strength, this bottom layer right here. Now, why would you be interested in buying laminate or vinyl plank as opposed to real wood? This vinyl plank flooring is waterproof, and this laminate is very affordable. Both are cheaper than the hardwood options. Diving deeper into what vinyl plank has to offer, there are many different types depending on what the household needs are. For example, if a household has a cat or a dog that has claws that can scratch the floor, this flooring has scratch resistance. Now it's also water resistant, but it's not waterproof like this one is. And for this one, this is a thinner vinyl plank. So it can actually be installed on your existing flooring. So you may save money that way by not having to demo out your existing flooring. You can see here how thin the sheet is. I hope this video helps your understanding of what wood flooring has to offer. If you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thank you.